Hey guys, I am Arvind from Arvind Tech, and in this video I will show you how to get iPhone's live photo feature in any Android device. So let's begin.
Baby, I want you to know.
For this you need to have Camera MX app. Just install it from Play Store and open the app. You will observe small circles on the top, so just tap on it. Now move around and capture the image. After that, just open the image that you captured and see it. It looks similar photo, but when you press and hold the image, it just acts like live photo. So that's amazing.
Wow.
So that's it from this video. I hope you liked it, and for more videos like this, just subscribe. Thanks for watching. I am Arvind, living for the moment. Have a nice day.